This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Burkhart. Superior remodeled unit with a fantastic view of the golf course and lake. A must-to-see. Impact windows and sliding glass doors on the balcony. Glass-screened entry door into the foyer. Flooring is the waterproof laminate and tile plus wide baseboards and crown molding. Totally renovated expanded kitchen with granite counter, white cabinets with featured pantry west rollouts. Extra workspace as a bar area with wine rack. Tile backsplash, deep sink, stainless appliances. Master bedroom with adjoining bathroom with granite counter, dual sinks, glass enclosed tiled shower west/multiple sprays, custom walk-in closet west white bar sliding doors plus an extra half bath in the unit. Tiled balcony with storage closet. Unlimited golf, water sewer basic cable loads of amenities including 2 fishing piers, 2 clubhouses, bocce, shuffleboard, pool, billiard/ping pong room, exercise room, library. Don't pass this by. For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Burkhart at 772-219-1111.